All right, y'all. So it is about 11:15 ish my time. Like y'all are seeing me raw. Like I haven't even taken my shower yet for the night. So yeah, I am in the process of getting ready for a couple of things tomorrow. Excuse my room, but hey, it is what it is. I am doing a photo shoot for a client and also doing some content for myself. So normally I don't even take the time to get ready at night if it's just for me. But lately I've been noticing that I basically have been setting myself up for failure every time that I do that. I don't wake up on time, which pushes my timeline back, which makes me stressed, anxious, and then get to the point where I'm like, canceling out outfits, just saying forget it altogether because I get annoyed and frustrated with myself. Now I'm trying to do I'm trying to do better when it comes to content creation. So I tell my clients to prep at night, so I kind of need to do the same. So that's why I'm taking the time out now, so that way when I wake up at 8, 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow, I could just get up, get in the shower, do my makeup real quick, boom, 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 put on my clothes, be out the door, no issues, no concerns, no rushing, all that good stuff. So now for my client's shoot, which I'm going to drop his link in the description below. He is a local streetwear brand in St. Louis. So we're shooting two female models for the launch of their storefront on what we call 314 Day in St. Louis. I don't know if any other city or state celebrates their zip code the way that we do. I don't know if it would even make sense for anybody else to celebrate the way that we do, but we legit have a 314 day. And no, not Pi Day. No. 314 day is where the city comes out, celebrate, food, gatherings, all that good stuff. So, this is my handy dandy stylist kit, and it really just depends on the client and what their needs are. But for tomorrow, I just have my lint brush, my Tide stick, safety pins, and lotion for the models in here. And let me go ahead and open it. I have all of my jewelry that I'm bringing as options. So earrings, necklaces, all that good stuff, extra earring backs, stuff like that. A lot of hats, like beanies, leather dad hats, headbands, all that good stuff. And I even am bringing, which I have not even worn yet, and I'm still trying to figure out what outfit I want to incorporate this. This is the exclusive Ivy Park convertible duffel bag and backpack that matches well with what he's shooting. So I'm going to bring this as an added accessory. And then this is what I'm wearing tomorrow, which you guys will see somewhere in the corner here. Boom, boom, boom. It's kind of like a clueless preppy type look. It's not going to be too hot. It's not going to be too cold. So I want to go ahead and try to get this tweed jacket in as soon as possible before it does get too hot, because it is starting to warm up in St. Louis. Matching hat, matching purse, because there is some black in the tweed. So I think this will be a fun kind of like streetwear vibe to bring the black out in the tweed. My Spanx to suck everything in. Have this crop kind of no sleeve sweater that I'm going to pair with a button up underneath. So yeah, all this is good, ready to go. So I'm literally waiting on the shirt to dry so I can put that in and then put the suitcase in the car. Yep, getting ready to put the stuff in the car now, shower, get ready for bed. So yeah, when I see it's shit. Oh, my face. Also, I'm going to talk about this in a video because y'all are probably like, what the hell is that on your lip? You guys will find out. So yeah, let's get ready for bed, and I will bring this back tomorrow in the morning. All right, y'all. So I wasn't able to get a lot of behind the scenes footage like I wanted to, just because we were in the zone and we were really trying to maximize our time at the M Blue shoot. However, here are a few photos behind the scenes while we were outside and also in the studio. So, like I said, I'm going to drop his link in the description below so you can check out his brand. He's a really dope streetwear brand here in St. Louis, and he's opening up a storefront for 314 Day. So it was really cool to really help capture his new collection for, in my opinion, this monumental moment. And here's some behind the scenes with me actually shooting the looks that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. So I actually only ended up doing 2 looks, which is perfectly fine because I'm going to be doing more photos literally within the upcoming week. So no worries. I'll still have enough content for about a week and a half, 2 weeks, just depending on how I plan to schedule it out, stuff like that. So not only did I link up with Kiro Black, who's a really dope photographer here in St. Louis, and who actually shot the Black in STL project for me. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'm going to drop all the links because we been getting press. Also had Marvette, who is, my girl, the person who always shoots me for the most part. She's actually the one that's holding my other phone, getting the behind the scenes footage for me. So yeah, it was a really dope day, really low key. We were able to get some really good shots in that I'm going to be able to use for my website, for social media, specifically for Instagram, for some branding, stuff like that. So if you're looking to get some really good content for photo shoots, social media, stuff like that, plan out your outfits just like I did and just like you saw me do at the beginning of the video. Find you some people. They don't have to be photographers. They can just be other influencers or other creatives. Link up, use your phones, and swap services and swap pictures. So that's what we really did. All right, y'all. So yeah, be sure to check out the channel. I know this was a short video, but I just wanted to come at you to kind of give a glimpse of some behind the scenes of how I prep for, photo shoots for myself, how I prep for photo shoots for clients. I'm going to be doing some really in-depth videos going forward. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video as well. And I'll be checking with y'all soon. Bye.